Okay, I know on your packet it says for the week that you're going to understand shapes, but I want you to do the adding the tens and ones first before we start on the shapes, so you can hold off on that and only do the lesson that I did in the plus book and the teddy bear book. Okay, so you can hold off on this for a couple of days. Don't worry about that. Your science and your social studies, that is here in your other packet that's down on below. It says week 1. This is all for science and social studies. So for science this week, you will do this page. What do you see in the day sky? What do you see in the night sky? There's 4 things each time. And then what could you see in both? In both the day and the night. Remember our Venn diagram. Okay? So this is what you see in the day. This is what you see in the night. And this is what you can see in both of them. So you'll have to go outside of your house. Don't go very far outside. But go outside and look at your day sky. And look at your night sky. And see what you can see in there, and then see if there's anything that you see that are in both skies. I can identify that people need to make choices because of science, of scarce resources. Boy, don't we have to make choices right now, because we can't go outside, we can't go places, we can't get to the grocery store, and I know a lot of people have been buying up a whole bunch of stuff, and then there's nothing left for other people to buy. So think about that while you're doing this paper. Use the word phrases in the word bank to complete the tree map graphic organizer. So out of these things, what are necessary? What are things that we cannot live without? Pots, cups, big screen TV, dining room table, a bed, a couch, a window, and a bathtub. These are tiny houses. If you've seen it on TV, the people like tiny houses. Well, what are the necessary things that you have to have in order to live comfortably? And what are the things that are unnecessary? So that's what you're going to do with this paper. And then for social studies, this is also social studies, I'm sorry. You're going to learn about savings. And this is a little book that you can make. You're going to write your name, cut them apart on the dotted lines, and you can put them together. You say this is page 2, page 1, page 2, and page 3. This is your cover. Okay? Circle the best pictures that show saving, that you're saving your money. If you go out and buy ice cream, are you saving your money? What about going out and buying a toy? Are you saving your money? What about putting it in a piggy bank? What about putting your money in the bank? What about buying some gum? Which one of those shows that you are saving money? I can recognize the importance of saving money for future purposes. To save is to put aside for a future use. That means that you're going to save it, put it away so that you can buy something later. Spending, you're going to use it right now. And in the future, that's a time that hasn't come yet. Joe wants to buy his mom a ring for her birthday. He needs $50 next month to buy the ring. He gets $10 to mow a neighbor's yard. How many yards does he need to mow to save up for his mother's birthday ring? So you can figure that up. He needs $50 and he's going to get $10 to mow a yard. So how many yards does he have to mow in order to get $50? and then put that together. And that's all you have to do for this week. Okay? So the week is starting on Thursday, so by next Thursday you should have those papers done. Okay? Please don't forget to do your gym stuff, okay? Mr. Cunningham has a calendar there of things that you should do. And don't forget Miss Olaru's art challenge. And if you go to the Sistersville Squires page, she's doing those and demonstrating, so you can watch her do that. And also, don't forget Mr. Bailey wants you to listen to some music every day. So you have got a log, and you need to write down every day what music you listened to. Okay? So, that's all for our lessons today. That didn't take very long. It wasn't very hard. And that's what I want you to do. Each day I'm going to come on and give you a video of what we should do on that day. Later on, I'll read you a book and we can have a little bit of fun. Okie doke. Bye. Thank you for being such a good student. I really appreciate you. Bye.